Hello friends, today we will tell you about Make a Difference token cryptocurrency. It is listed on coinmarketcap.com and its price is $0.002708 and its volume is around $333,000 and blockchain is Binance Coin and it is listed today. Then we will tell you about it. I will review in detail and we will tell you how to buy it and we will open its portfolio. So this portfolio has been opened and its rank is 3026 and 305 people have added it to the watch list and its website is madtoken.org and its price is $0.002706 and BTC is 4% down and ETH is 7% down. Low price is $0.002505 and high price is $0.004058. After that we will come down. And this is its graph. This graph is continuously increasing and decreasing. After that we will enter $1 here and in $1 we are getting around 36,000 Make a Difference token. After that we will come down and this is its description. We can read it and its total supply is 100 billion MAD coin. After that we will open its website and click on madtoken.org. I have already opened this website and here it has a menu bar, MAD contact, chart, roadmap, how to buy, team, white paper, Made a Difference and vlog. We can join on Telegram, Twitter and other social media. MAD token, the world most transparent charity token. Cryptocurrency is the most transparent way to donate. Charity Make a Difference token is pioneer that will elevate cryptocurrency to being the started for charitable giving beyond simple donation through the smart contract technology utilized by MAD token. It is possible to create passive and useful income for those people and organizations that are most in need. By building upon the nascent technology MAD token to change the way world think about the money. We believe that every human being deserve food, clothing and shelter, and we believe through the use cryptocurrency we will be able to deliver these necessities to every person that is in need. And this is its roadmap: phase 1, phase 2 and phase 3. Disclose team, pre-sale DX, launch PancakeSwap, donate media and COVID, AMAs, first donation from charity wallet, community giveaways, advertising and influencer, long-term marketing, website remap, white paper, phase 2, white paper, audit to token contract, first charity partnership, Make Difference challenge, donation charity and MAD blog weekly update, coin market and CoinGecko, tax deducted donation and community events, giveaways and contracts. Phase 3, formation of non-profitable foundation, manage charitable operation, listing on the other exchange, MADX cryptocurrency exchange, community charity voting, daily staking concept and match donation, and MAD voters buy MAD token directly from madtoken.org. Partner with cities on fundraiser, 55%, 12% and 0%. Tokenomics, burn 50 billion token. Foundation team 7 billion token, charity 25 billion token and liquidity pool 20 billion token, operation 8 billion token and pre-sale 25 billion token and 25 billion token charity, burn 15 billion, liquidity pool 20 billion, pre-sale 25 and operation 8 billion, foundation team 7 billion. Meet our team. How to buy, download MetaMask or Trust Wallet, go to PancakeSwap, get the trade and screen and select MAD token and using 9 and 11% slippage and swap away. Made a Difference, our charity partners. So now we will give you to tell what is the process of buying it, and we will download Trust Wallet app in our mobile phone and we will open Trust Wallet. After that we will create account on Trust Wallet, and if you do not know how to create an account on Trust Wallet, you can watch our video, link in the description. After that we will add money in the Trust Wallet and we will click on buy button and select blockchain. We will select BNB and here we can add money in our Trust Wallet and we can add minimum $50 in our Trust Wallet. After add money, go to home page and we will click on D app section. After that we will open PancakeSwap exchange, and PancakeSwap exchange has been opened. After that we will connect this exchange to Trust Wallet and click on connect and click on Trust Wallet, and this exchange connected successfully from Trust Wallet. After that we will select slippage, click on this icon, and here we can add slippage according to our token. After that we will click on select a currency, and here we can search coin using name or coin address. After that we will select a token. After that we will enter number of coin, here as many as we want to buy. After that click on swap and click on confirm swap and click on accept button, and finally click on confirm swap. So thanks for watching.